will visit inside this park in New Delhi, and in this park there are 7 wells of wonder, and this park is very nice. You can visit in this park, and if you like the video, please subscribe our channel Arman Khan Today 5 and like, comment, share to everyone. So let's see this park. Let's begin. So guys, see, we are at the outside of this park, and this is near Kale Khan Road. You can come by bus here and by metro or by Nizamuddin, and you can see this is the entrance of this park. So well, see guys, we are inside the park and see how good looking is this, and we will tell you more about this, so keep watching our video. So see how nice palace and public are enjoying here. You can see now we are at our first point. This is the fountain flowing up with water, and every people are enjoying here, and everyone is sitting and clipping their photos. So see how beautiful greeneries and wonderful palace. So now we will tell you about this pyramid. This pyramid is 25 feet long, and it located in Egypt, and this is a 7th wonder of the world. So you can see how green trees, and you can see there is a hut. Look, the hut is looking very beautiful, and the greenery. See, my sister and me are enjoying here. So hello everyone. So see, the hut is made by wood, and I am sitting here and enjoying. So hello guys, this is Tower of Pisa. It takes 100 days to complete, and we can see how beautiful palace is this, and 32 feet is the inch. We can see how beautiful this is. You can see how long is this 32 feet. So see beautiful palace and wonder palace. You can see guys. So we are going at our third location, and this is Eiffel Tower. So see, the people are enjoying, and see how beautiful is this and looking good and long. So I am going to tell you about this, and this is 60 feet long, and you can see 60 feet long Eiffel Tower. It is made up of raw material, and see how good it's located in Paris, and well, the people are enjoying the awesome weather. See, the Eiffel Tower is located on Paris, and you can see it's located on Paris and clipping. You can see how long it. You can see this is looking well guys, we can see here our sister is enjoying here. You can see the weather is too cool, and everyone is walking here and enjoying. I am too. So see, she is enjoying here. So I am walking from Eiffel Tower. So see the Eiffel Tower, how long it's captured and made. So I am walking here and enjoying the awesome weather. So this is our 4th location, and this is the Rome, and you can see how big is it. So see how big is it and long from every side. So see how looking good is it, and it is of 22 feet, and this is created 100 years take to complete. It is located in Italy and this is a famous monument and come in 7 world wonder. So this is the model of the famous monument and it is made from raw material, waste materials. You can see how beautiful greeneries are there. You can see how beautiful awesome weather. Everyone is walking and enjoying the awesome weather, and see my sister is also enjoying and me also. See, she is running and enjoying. So this is our next location. So this is 7 world wonder and come in first category, which is Taj Mahal. It is located in India, Agra, and everyone visit this famous monument and this is so famous. See plants and trees, awesome weather. See, I am enjoying here. So we will work on our next location. See how green palace is here. So we are at house. See the surrounding area very neat and clean and everyone is enjoying here. You can see the hut which is made up of raw material and wood. You can see this is Rio Ramodi and it is famous monument and come in 7 world wonder. See now the people are enjoying here and see how beautiful palace is this. This is Rio Ramodi and I am enjoying this palace. See how beautiful palace is this and I am enjoying this palace. So we will work on our next location, which is Statue of Liberty. So we can see Statue of Liberty, which is very famous and it is in New York and it is very famous monument. People visit and come here to see this monument. This is in New York and the height is 25 feet. And it is made up of raw materials and waste materials. Beside of this wonder there is a hut and my sister is sitting here and enjoying, which is made up of raw material and wood. So see how beautiful it is looking and just made up of raw materials. So people are coming and to see this monument and me and my sister is enjoying. Now you can see this is the lake and we can see how clear water inside it and everyone is enjoying it. You can see how beautiful natural nature and palace is this. So see the clean water is this. This is a fountain. People are coming to see it and the fountain is very clean and water inside it. So I am enjoying this palace and very happy to see this palace. I am standing near the fountain. You can see guys, this is the fountain and my sister is also enjoying here. So how beautiful palace is this. You can also visit this palace. The lake is also fresh of water and fountain is also cool. So I am enjoying the fresh air and feeling fresh and nice breath, clean breath I feel and see how beautiful nature is this and palace is this. I like this palace. I feel very happy. So today we visit this park and to visit this park the experience was very nice and I saw very famous monument and several world wonder, and this park you can visit by bus or metro. I feel very experienced by visiting this park and I like happy. So if you like the video, please subscribe our channel and push the bell icon like, comment and share. So thank you for watching. Stay home, stay safe.